Hey everybody, this is Dawn, and nature-inspired Snips and Snaps wants to know, where is my healing place? Right here in my backyard is my healing place. I'm sitting here tonight, got a line in the water. My sister's out here with me. We're seeing if we can catch fish. Beautiful night. And this has been our healing place since we were little kids. To come out here and relax. A beautiful night like this. Put a line in the water. And all the troubles just flow away on the water. Doesn't matter what's going on everywhere else, because you can come out here and it all goes away. So, this is our healing place. Where's yours? Go over to nature-inspired Snips and Snaps and let her know. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.